Then I'm going to paint the lake water in my landscape. To make the paint easier to work with, I'm going to paint in sections rather than layers. For example, when I paint the sky color in, I'm going to make sure to leave the area of the mountain white, and then I'll paint the mountain afterward. So then I don't have to paint on top of the already wet paint. So the water for the landscape is finished, and that pretty much completes my entire painting. But I am probably gonna add some other small details, along the way, just to kind of finish filling it out. You might have noticed that I completely changed the color of my rocks, but it was just while I was working on the water, I kind of decided that I didn't really like the way I painted them, so I decided to repaint them completely. That's what's nice about acrylics, especially, is you can change things whenever you want to, if something doesn't look right. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it. Or if you'd like to be notified when I have more videos in the future, simply subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Also, please leave any thoughts you have in the comments. And if you're interested in viewing or purchasing any reprints of some of my art, including this one, once I finish it and am able to put it on my website, please check out my website at jonathanschlechterartist.com.